Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. If you're someone who values privacy, or simply wants to manage multiple accounts separately, it's important to understand how to stop sharing your Instagram account, especially if it's connected to another Instagram account, or your Facebook profile through Meta's Accounts Center. Many users unknowingly allow their content, such as stories, posts, or reels, to be automatically shared across linked accounts. While this can be useful for creators and business users, it can become annoying or even a privacy concern if you're not aware of it. So today, I'll walk you through, step by step, how to stop sharing your Instagram account with other accounts or services. First, open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into the account you want to manage. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your main profile page. Once you're there, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. From the menu, select Accounts Center, scroll down, and you'll see Accounts option. Tap on that. In this menu, you'll see a list of all the accounts that are currently connected. This could include other Instagram accounts you own, or a Facebook profile. Now, if you want to completely stop the connection between your Instagram and any of these accounts, simply tap the account name and choose Remove. Instagram will ask you to confirm. Select Remove Account. Then click Continue. And tap on Yes, finish removing. Once you proceed, the accounts will be unlinked, and all automatic content sharing will stop immediately. And remember, stopping sharing doesn't delete any of your existing content. Your past posts will remain untouched. It simply stops Instagram from automatically duplicating your content to another account going forward. And now you know how to stop sharing your Instagram account. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.